Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm heading over to Dave's shop and we are going to be starting some work on his 92 Z24, the barn find Cavalier that he got. So we're going to be starting some mods on that. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we are, starting surgery here. So what we're doing is we're removing the exhaust manifolds here. We're going to test fit these headers we got. These are off that 3400, 3500 hybrid that I bought a couple years back. We were planning on doing this a while ago, but life happened. Now we're finally getting around to it. So we'll get this thing apart and test fit these.
Nice.
One disaster averted.
Yeah, I didn't want to deal with that.
I don't really have a welder here either.
What?
Can't just weld a nut on it.
No.
Either.
Not even a little bit.
Let those cool before you go grab them.
A little bit.
Probably need more heat. Got down the street and like, I didn't bring the big gun either. That's one. And the other one. I figure out how to get that one. Fun. Alright, so we're about, what, 3 hours in now?
Yeah, I think so.
More than 2 anyways. We got front manifold off. Rear one's off, hanging there. But, we gotta remove the extension pipe off the rear manifold. You see it sitting there, still bolted up, and the tools I have to take it off today are not strong enough, so I'm gonna have to get a air impact gun or my heavy duty cordless impact and see if I can get that off my half drive. But we're just gonna call it quits for tonight, get some food, and head home. And then we'll start back on this next time. Well, time to get back to this thing. When were we here last? November?
Yeah, it was before Christmas.
And now it's July 1st. Been slacking. So let's get back here and see if we can get these headers on here. Alright, so now I'm just gonna pull this coil pack out of the way, and that way I can test fit the front header. So we got the front header on here. Fits nice, lots of room. We're gonna have to relocate the coil packs, but overall it fits really nice. I got the rear manifold off. I removed the alternator to give me some more room. I'm gonna remove the power steering pump out of the way so I can try to slide the rear header in the back here. But that's gonna have to wait till probably next weekend or the one after that. And then once the headers are all test fit and we make sure that they fit nice, then we're gonna send them out and get ceramic coated. So yeah, looks like it should fit in there nice. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna have to cut off this elbow on the end here, maybe put a V-band on there, just to make fitment a little easier with getting them into the car. Alright, so I got the rear header fit in here. It's bolted to the head. I don't have the lower studs in, but it looks like it fits pretty good. The front header's snug down too. There. This will be up out of the way a little bit more. It might rub a little bit there. I am kind of thinking I might put a flex in the crossover, just to give a little more room to move around, so we're not breaking studs or anything off the heads. It will also help for ease of installation, just being able to wiggle them around a little bit. The ball flange kind of acts like a flex too. I'm still up in the air on that, so the only thing I might have to do is play around with the transmission dipstick. Not sure if it will fit in there yet, but it might be able to sneak in there. If not, we'll do something custom with that. Got the front pipe out of the way too, and looks like we're hitting the sway bar, so I'm gonna have to cut that back just a little bit more and see what we can do with that. I still have a little bit on the header here that I haven't cut off yet, so I'll trim that back a little bit. I would like to put a V-band right on the end of here, and then just put a 45 off of there for the exhaust. Alright, so I trimmed a little bit more off the header here, and it's not fitting any better. It's tightened it up against the head now, and we have a little bit of an issue with sway bar clearance here. It's coming out right at the sway bar, so I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with this yet. I don't want to cut too much off the Y pipe here, kind of run out of room. So what we noticed, or what we're going to try, before we go any further, we're going to replace the motor mounts, because they are sagging quite a bit. They are 30 something years old. See them kind of cracking there. So we're going to replace those, and then we're going to try it again, see if it fits any better. That one's sagging there too. So we're going to replace the mounts and go from there, but I think that's probably going to be it for this one. So we'll see you in the next one.